So right now, you can see that I'm in the Prezi editing area, and this is the template that we chose in the last lesson. So once you go inside, you can see that this is the main canvas, and I can actually move the objects around right here. I can use my scroll mouse button and then zoom it in. Zoom it in, and you can see that you can zoom it in different parts of the text, and then you can move around the text just like this and place your things. So that is how you can use your canvas. You can also zoom in different places, as you can see. Just scroll away your mouse and move to the side, as you can see right here. On the left side, you can see that you can see all the slides. So over here, let's say if I want to edit the task 7 slide right here, you can actually go over here and you can see that the task 7 is there. So you can go back to the main page by clicking on the overview right here. And then you can also add in topics right here. So you can click on topic, and there you go. There's a new topic right there with the pre-formatted text, just like that. So that is how you can add and remove as well. So you can work with the main slides from over here. From over here, there are presets, as you can see right here. So you can go over here. There are other colors right here. So you can choose the colors and so forth. There are presets that you can choose right here. So the preset is actually applied over here on the circle right here, as you can see. So that was shown over here. So you can see that the menus are all located on the top. You can also change the name of the slide if you want. So you want to type something else, you just type in your name over here. In my case, I'm just going to leave it to tube right here, because that's the name of our channel. And over here, you can see that you got the main navigation bar. So you got the file, you got edit, you got insert, view, present, and help menu right here. So in the insert, you can find that there are a lot of things you can add in on the Prezi slide right here. So there are view menus and everything else is like that. So over here, you can see that these are actually background and theme and everything. So if nothing is selected, you can actually click this, and on the right hand side you can see that you can choose the background and theme. So you can choose the colors, you can choose backgrounds and everything else from over here. So there are images that you can choose from. You can even import images right here. From over here, this is actually a sub menu. So if I were to select some object, as you can see, this actually changes, which you might have noticed. There you also get an animation menu where I can add in and fade out and things like that to different objects right here. So this is how the editing menu is. You can also use the comments and collaborators, live Prezi, sharing feature, and collaborators over here as well. Anyways, we're gonna cover up these things, the main tasks of how to create a Prezi in further lessons. Anyways, this is how you can work around with the editing area inside of Prezi. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.